So for the stairs, I can use a specific stairs layer, and I don't have it here, so I will need to create it, or just for this example, I can use maybe building pad, which will represent stairs, maybe floors. Okay, so let's try to find the solution. And before going to next step, I will save progress. And let's jump back to the stairs creation. So let's go up here. By y-axis 1.2 meters. By z-axis 0.150 meters. By this axis 180, and down 150. Y-axis 180. And below here 0.115 millimeters. Let's go back here. And extrude up 2.5 meters. Okay, let's group it. And let's assign the create material. And in this case, I will use floor layer for the stairs. Maybe not good. Let's try to find stairs, and let's go to the plan section. In the plan, let's look for the layers, and let's type stairs. So stairs are located in here, so it's structure, stairs, outline. Okay, let's use this one. Let's go back to Planary and let's create additional layer here. For stairs I don't have layers, so add requirement. Manage, make duplication. Stairs. Okay, let's save it. Let's assign it here's stairs. Let's assign it to slabs. Okay, close it. Open here. And stairs layer is here. Create it inside FormIt and layer. And let's assign our stairs to the stairs layer. Okay, now it works. Let's save the progress. Okay, so levels created, properties assigned, roof created, materials assigned, assigned, create and assign layers, and additional steps on groups. Group layers. And groups also created. So thank you for your attention, and till next time, bye.